what I know to be true with unwavering certainty is that if each person on the planet really knew themselves, really knew who they were, really knew who they were, they would automatically really love themselves. And if each person on the planet genuinely loves themselves, genuine love, not ego love, the entire planet changes overnight. Wars end overnight. People realize they have nothing to prove because they're already enough, and wars end. In and of itself, loving oneself is what it looks like to change the world.
Thank you so much, Shazia. That was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure.